Hey traders from around the world, this is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. So it is September 2nd live from New York. Hope you're doing fantastic. Checking out the markets today and some fascinating stuff. Yesterday I was actually mentioning that I think the market would gap up just a little bit and that we'd probably sell off. Here are the exponential moving averages. The exponential moving averages this is the daily chart on Apple, and we gapped up a little bit into the 10 EMA on the daily, but really what's most important is the hourly chart. Notice the hourly chart yesterday, right? We traded up, black candle, black candle, black candle, black candle, black candle, black candle. So we're getting a little extended. So more or less yesterday, I was mentioning on most stocks, if we pull back a little bit, let's be short and place our stop higher. So, the pullback was worked out really, really well. So again, all this is subject to change due to volatility, but here is the daily chart on the DIA, and we were talking about again, if we pull back just a little bit, let's go short again on the markets in general and see if we can get a little bit of a rollover. So something like this is entirely possible, and trade up, maybe the 20 EMA comes down, and then again, the market rolls over. So my thought is, overall, yesterday was a beautiful, beautiful day of trading. Brad in the trading room made 4.1 Rs yesterday. I mean, it was an incredible day. Unfortunately, I didn't get any action. I was in the financial district all day, which is not unfortunate, but simple fact of the matter is I just picked the wrong day to not trade. But anyway, it was pretty fun hanging down there in the financial district. Got some higher lows, got some lower highs, something like that could be building up. We could trade sideways, let the 20 EMA come down. And I don't think we necessarily go to zero, but some pretty solid supports are right around here, around 156, and then maybe about 153 on the DIA. Here's the Qs, QQQ, and the Qs. This was the analysis that I had on the Qs from not too long ago. Stock come down, trade up, limit sell, place the stop up here, and then that was a great risk-reward ratio. Again, bearish retest gap on the daily chart today. We are retesting, so that looks really, really nice. Alibaba up just a little bit from the close of yesterday, but again, smaller black candle. We are in this trade bearish for the day trade. For the swing trade. Got triggered in at 68, 89 and some change, somewhere right around there. Stop around 71.96 on Alibaba. So if you're in short on Alibaba, that's my thought process as well. GoPro had a really big gap today. This one is really, really moving. I mean, GoPro is broke out this little beautiful pennant pattern. One of the few stocks that has broken Monday's low already. And when I say Monday, I mean last Monday. Yesterday was a little bit of a white candle. We just gapped right below it. It's getting a little extended for sure, but I believe Brad was looking at this one for a day trade as well today. Let's go look and see how he could have played that. Here's the 5-minute chart. And again, 5-minute chart had a beautiful gap yesterday, a lot of white candles, and you're looking at any kind of pullback and just short the rollover. So I think the best plan on that one would have been wait for the retest since it was a little extended. There's the low of the day break. There's the retest. So shorting there, stop there, already up about an R and some change. Beautiful trade on GoPro. So that one's moving down nicely. Here's your daily chart. And again, at this point, target's probably 37.57 and some change, somewhere right around there. So that'll be interesting to see how and if that plays out to perfection, if it does. Apple, I think we looked at Apple. Can't remember. Apple. So here's Apple. Karen had a few bear call spreads expire. She was in some spreads and just closed them out yesterday for a profit. So that's good news. Good gap down right here today. I like the fact that we're still inside this little range. So if Apple does roll over and it breaks the low of yesterday, I think one could easily look to try to short the stock or buy some puts, which are options that make money as the stock goes down. But if you want to consider, again, on the hourly chart, I mean, very similar to the entire market, you had a lot of black candles. We gapped up. We didn't really clear any specific pivots. We just gapped into some moving averages. So if we're looking to short now with a stop somewhere, that could also be an opportunity. So just kind of keep an eye on what stocks you're looking at potentially going bearish on and seeing if there's any good setups overall and see if there's anything that you could pull the trigger on. FCX down just a little bit today. This is one that was looking to get in bullish, and we did get triggered in bullish, and at $9.89 on the pullback, triggered a protective put today. Our stop is $8.93. So on FCX, my goal and my thought is that we bounce, but if we don't and we roll over, might as well just mitigate our risk nicely on FCX. Kind of keep an eye on that one. BTU, a lot of people talking about BTU. This was a good bullish trade, a good one to get in on the pullback of some kind. So, we kind of broke out back in here, had some opportunities to buy in and pull into balance, but the target looks to be the 100 simple moving average. So there's the target on BTU. Now, agreed, I can say that the volume is pretty low right now, and this does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe a 5, something like that. But we did trade to a target on BTU. That could be all that we really get on that little move. So that was just a quick in and out if you got a chance to trade that one. But if it does pull back and if it does bounce, I think that could be kind of interesting to watch for sure. Etsy up just barely, not really doing that much today, just kind of chilling. So we still got our stops in place. Still just kind of chilling back, sitting there, seeing if that one could do anything and transpire and, check it out. So, ladies and gentlemen, a great market, great time in New York City. If you could tell, my voice is a little deep. I was talking a lot yesterday. Met up with some incredible traders. Bob, Yoav, Eufredo, Bill, and Alejandro, and of course my good buddy Aubrey joined in the sessions and the parties as well. So it was a great time last night. Had an amazing opportunity. Got a chance to walk around Times Square. Is that what it's called? Central Square, Central Gardens, Madison. Great. It was all, anyway, we were going all over the place. Did all kinds of things. It was great. New York City is a big city. It is a little bigger than Nashville. Just a smidge bigger. So I'm enjoying it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks so much for allowing me to do what I do. I absolutely appreciate you guys so much. I hope to meet you in person. If I haven't gotten the opportunity to meet you in person yet, I look forward to that day. And until that day, and until Friday, remember, ladies and gentlemen, love life, live life, and trade it. See ya.